Hi kabahay, new day, new house tour, and we are now here at the Town and Country West here in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. So if you're looking for a property, single attached unit and complete finish ang turnover, this property is available for sale with a lot area of 120 square meters and total developed area of 160 square meters. Meron ka ng 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. And also, ang ating fence and gate is also included sa ating turnover. Tara, check natin. Before we enter mga kabahay, I want you to see this frontage area. So this is the carport area. So as you can see, meron na itong fence and gate na included upon turnover. Meron tayong lamppost. And then syempre ang ating wide frontage. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mga small pots. And then meron tayo dito ang doorbell na included. On this area naman is the entrance gate natin papunta sa ating property. So this one, ang ating task po is non-skid. And then, meron tayo ditong inside gardens on both sides. So, andito tayo mga kabahay sa ating carport area. So, as you can see, kasya po dito ang isang sasakyan. Ang ating flooring is made of pebbles and meron tayong access papunta sa ating service area. Ito naman ang ating service area mga kabahay. So, on this side, meron tayong access door papunta sa ating kitchen area. Meron na tayo ditong lavatory para sa inyong laundry area. And then may provision na dito na outlet and water supply. And also, meron din tayong free na 700 liters na water tank upon turnover. Tuloy kayo mga kabahay sa ating property. So as you can see, this is the living area. So meron tayong staircase dito. And dito sa ating living area, makikita nyo maluwag ang space. So dito sa ilalim ng staircase, pwede kayo magpalagay ng another storage area dahil maluwag pa po itong area na ito. Dito sa ground floor, meron tayong toilet and bath. Complete fixtures po ito upon turnover. May shower head, meron tayo ditong toilet seat, and lavatory. Included din po ang bidet. So on this side mga kabahay is the provision for your dining area and meron tayo ditong access papunta sa ating lanay area. So dito tayo mga kabahay sa ating kitchen area. Dito sa kitchen area makikita nyo complete finish po ang ating turnover. Meron tayong over and under na built-in cabinets plus the storage area. On this side is the provision for your cooktop stove. And then dito naman ang ating range hood. Meron tayo ditong double sink na made from quartz. And then on this area is the provision for your refrigerator. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So if you are with your elders or you have a maid, pwede itong i-convert as their room. Meron tayo dito ang built-in cabinets na floor to ceiling. Naka 60 by 60 tiles tayo dito. Meron tayong sliding window and may provision for the window type aircon. Kaya nito mag-accommodate up to double size bed. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating lanay area. So, ang ating staircase mga kabahay is made of concrete and tiles. Meron tayo ditong metal railings and ang handle po nito is made of wood. Meron din tayo ditong fixed window on the side. And as you can see, high ceiling po ito and ang ating ceiling is naka-PVC. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating bedroom number 1. So, dito sa ating bedroom number 1, malaki po ang space nito dahil kaya nito mag-accommodate up to queen size bed. Meron tayo dito provision for window type aircon. Meron tayong sliding window, and of course, meron tayong sariling toilet and bath. And another one is the floor-to-ceiling na built-in cabinets and the vanity area on the side. Let's check the toilet and bath here at the first bedroom. So as you can see po, complete finish po ang turnover nito. Meron tayong shower enclosure, shower head, water tank, and lavatory. Let's check the master's bedroom mga kabahay. So upon entering, meron tayo dito access sa master's toilet and bath. So on this area naman, makikita nyo ang actual size ng ating master's bedroom. It can fit up to king size bed. Meron tayo dito sliding window. Meron tayong provision for split type aircon. And then meron tayo dito built-in cabinets na floor to ceiling ang height. And compared to first bedroom, mas malaki po ang kaya nitong i-accommodate. Meron tayo ditong vanity area. Let's check mga kabahay ang ating master's toilet and bath. So as you can see, meron tayong bathtub na included, naka-shower enclosure, naka-rain shower tayo dito. On this side naman is the lavatory and the toilet seat area. Dito sa ating hallway mga kabahay, meron tayong access papunta sa ating balcony area. So, ang ating balcony area is may included na pong railings. Naka-tiles na rin po ito at non-skid. So, as you can see, kahit umuulan, hindi po madulas. If you are interested to view this property mga kabahay, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Juan Tapawan of XCCA Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching.